Hey guys, welcome back to Hacky Nerds. In today's video, we are going to discuss about some basic of Linux, what is terminal and why you should learn terminal. So without wasting much time, let's just begin.
This is the future.
Before we actually start, according to YouTube statistics, there is only few people watching my video are actually subscribed. So if you end up enjoying this video, consider subscribing. YouTube sometimes glitches and unsubscribe you. So make sure that you subscribe, enjoy the video. So let me tell you first why I chose Ubuntu. It's because of it's way faster than Windows and its graphical user interface is awesome. In this whole command line series, I will be using Ubuntu as my operating system. You are free to use any other Linux distribution because most of the terminal commands are common in all the Linux distributions. And if you want to know how to install Linux distributions in VirtualBox, then I provided the installation playlist link in description. You can check out that. So this is what Ubuntu home screen look like. So on the left side there is a panel and that is what we call dock. As you can see, there are many applications here, or you can set the shortcuts for application. And if you want to see any other application which is installed in your system, click on this icon and you will see a lot of application here. And in the frequent section, you will see the application which you are using frequently. If you want to add any application in this dock, just right click on the application and click add to favorites. Okay. Now on the top side there is another panel and that is what we call top bar. So just click on this activity. Every application which are running right now will appear here. And on the right side there is workspaces. Whenever you open your application, Ubuntu will automatically create another workspace for you. Now on the center of the top bar there is date and time. When you open it, you will see notification area. Every new notification will appear here. And on the right side there is a whole bunch of things. You can change your volume from here, brightness, or you can open your settings from here. And if you want to power off or restart, you can do it from here. So that is the quick information about how to use Ubuntu. So now let's understand the terminal, or you can say the command line of the Linux. So the first question you will ask to yourself is that why we need to learn this command line. So the simple answer to that question is that the graphical user interface like this one is not good for all your tasks. After learning command line, you will see that you can do your day-to-day task or any task that is related to development or programming much faster than before. And the other answer to this question is that the graphical user interface is what it looks from front side. But whenever you want to know what is happening in background, then you will need to learn command line for that. Now before we actually start learning command line, there are two terms that you will need to understand. One is terminal and another is shell. Now what is shell? Whenever you type any command, shell will take that command as input and provide that command to your computer. And what is terminal? Terminal is a window that allows you to interact with shell. What I mean is that whenever you type any command in terminal, terminal will provide that command to shell and then shell will do the further process. Now let's see how to open terminal. There are many different ways. Just click on this icon, go to utilities, and you will find terminal at the very end. Or you can just search here and open it from here. Or what I prefer is to add it to favorite so that you can open it from this dock. And there is also a shortcut key to open the terminal. And the shortcut key is Ctrl Alt and T. And the cool thing about Ubuntu is that it allows you to change the shortcut keys. So let's see how to change the shortcut keys. Now go to settings and then go to keyboard shortcuts. Here search for terminal. Click on this and now press any key that you want as your shortcut. Yeah, so set this. Now to launch the terminal, just press those keys. So that's all about today's video. Now from the next video, we will start learning command line. So see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.